Porterville traffic, Cessna 73103 is going to be turning downwind, left traffic downwind for runway 30, Porterville traffic. So we're coming in our downwind. So you can use the smoke as a reference. So you got a wind that's coming from the east, but it looks pretty light, so. And you always want to, when you fly around an airport, you can do it in like a square. So this is our downwind, and then we're turn base, and then to our final. So we use words terminology as a beam, so a beam is like our wing. So when I say I'm going to be a beam, our touchdown, which is going to be the 30 where the markers are on the end of the runway there, and then I start going into our process for landing. So I'll start reducing speed, and then we'll add flaps and everything else. About to be a beam our touchdown. If for any reason I need to do a go around, so I'm just gonna add power and then we'll take off and then we'll come back around. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna reduce power. I'm gonna pitch up just a little bit so I can take off my airspeed so we're within the white arc. Add a notch of flaps. 1, 2, 3. There's one notch. I want to shoot for 75 is our airspeed.
Porterville traffic entering left downwind for 30.
Porterville traffic, Cessna 73103 is going to be turning left base for runway 30, Porterville traffic. Alright, so we're going to turn here in just, and we're going to turn. Pull our power back just a little bit. Pull flaps, 1, 2, 3. Get another plane coming up behind us here shortly.
How do you know?
He called it out.
Yeah.
Porterville traffic, Cessna 73103 is going to be turning left for runway 30 on final. Porterville traffic. Alright, we're going to turn left. There's our final. Pull my power back just a little bit. And we're going to go full flaps. Full power, full flaps. Pitch down. Good for 60
traffic. White Cherokee, 2 mile, final 32377, still on traffic.
So we're high. So you see those lights on the right, that tells you if you're higher or not. We're high because it's all white. Should have one set of red and one white. So this is like perfect for an approach as far as airspeed. There's our red. Our airspeed is 65. We're high.
Still out of traffic, 33377, directly over the runway, flying runway heading 32, still on them.
And we landed. Welcome.
Good job.
Welcome to Porterville, everyone.
Hey.
Alright, I'll try to shut down as fast as I can.
Traffic, Cessna 096, entering downwind.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
30 Porterville.
Porterville traffic, Cessna 73103 is clear runway 30 at taxi Bravo.
Really hot in here.
You can pop your window if you like.
Oh.
So I gotta do a clean up. Flaps going up, flaps up. Alright, we're clear. Park over here. Actually, I'll go right here. Alright, don't get up yet until I get it shut off, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let me do my shutdown.